and welcome to Greenline Architects YouTube channel. Today we present a design review of 1600 square feet plot area. The plot is a square measuring 40 feet each with little tapered at front. The residence has 3 stories and each can be treated as a separate unit. The elevation is designed in contemporary style with the fusion of concrete and woodwork along with different modern materials. Two shops were designed at the front, facing the road. The entrance has a car park, a staircase block and a pocket of green which overlooks inside the house. The ground floor is a 1 BHK plan with all the basic amenities. Kitchen, dining and living area is open with no walls that maintains the indoor-outdoor living. Kitchen also has a stove and an open utility area. A bedroom is placed at the back with the attached toilet which further opens to the backyard. The first floor is a 3-bedroom plan. Entering, we have an open living and dining area. Kitchen is partially open and also caters the dirty kitchen and utility balcony. A bedroom with attached toilet overlooks the backyard. Two bedrooms are planned at front with attached dress and toilet. A longitudinal tapered balcony is shared from both the bedrooms. The interior is lavish with the use of various materials ranging from wood, concrete, CNC, glasswork, stonework, upholstery, etc. that exhibits a colorful, vibrant look throughout the interiors. The second floor is typical as the first floor. Here we exhibit the semi-furnished mass structure that can be used for rent purpose. The angular balcony and pergola structure are derived from the plot shape. The outside complements the inside with overgrown landscape, also soften the hard concrete structure. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh contents.